Okay, I think we officially found the budget earbuds that even a robot can get excited about. Hey guys, welcome back to an all-new episode of KhanFlicks. Today we'll be checking out the TOZO NC20. That's right, affordable wireless earbuds that promise premium features without the premium price. We're talking hybrid noise canceling, LDAC Hi-Res audio, app control, 6 microphones for clear calls, spatial audio, and a crazy long battery life. With a charging case that literally shows you the live percentage right on the screen. Together we'll be unboxing this, trying it out, and seeing exactly what it's all about. So if you guys want your very own, check out the link down below. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So inside the box, we've got the earbuds in their charging case, a USB-C cable, extra ear tips, and a few quick start guides. So some first thoughts. Definitely has a very interesting case, very futuristic vibe. Usually these are squares. This is a literal oval. And then of course it has a nice metallic finish throughout. On the bottom you see a USB-C port for charging the case, of course, as well as a button, most likely for connectivity. Now, besides that, it does have a display built into the screen on the front. So if you do open it, it'll show an exact battery life indication. So right now we're at 99%. And then when you close it, it'll also indicate it. Some impressions about the earbuds, they're super duper lightweight. Really feels like I'm holding nothing at all. It says TOZO on the side. Has a nice metallic matte black finish, I would say. So it looks matte, but it also has a little bit of a shine to it. To charge them, just simply drop them into the case, just like this. It's got a built-in LED display showing both earbuds and case battery levels. I love that little detail. Oh, yeah. So setup was super fast. Open the lid, they pop right into pairing mode. They connect via Bluetooth 5.4, and in a matter of seconds, they're ready to go. Now, once they're in your ears, they feel super light. Honestly, one of the most comfortable fits I've tried at this price. Cue the disco lights, time for a little dance test. Talk about the sound. The NC20 packs LDAC Hi-Res audio, and the bass actually hits hard for the budget earbuds. Vocals are crisp and the highs are clean. And when you turn on active noise cancellation, it really isolates the music. Okay G1, calm down before you short circuit. One thing that really surprised me is the spatial audio feature. Basically 3D surround sound for your ears. When you enable it in the TOZO app, the music feels like it's coming from all around you instead of just inside your head. It adds depth and direction to songs and movies. Like you can hear the instruments panning from the front to the back and left to right. And if you're watching videos, it almost feels like you're sitting in a mini home theater bubble. It's a feature I usually see in high-end earbuds, so seeing it in here is a huge bonus. See, even he's trying to locate the sound source. So battery life is solid. You're looking up to 80 hours of runtime from a single charge. The LED screen display means no guessing how much juice is left. It literally shows you the exact percentage right on the screen. Plus, a quick 10-minute charge gives you 5 extra hours. That's insane for something under 50 bucks. Now the TOZO app lets you tweak sound profiles, switch between ANC and transparency modes, and even picks from 32 EQ presets. Perfect if you like boosting bass or dialing vocals. And of course, that's where you also toggle spatial audio and customized touch controls too. So I took these outside around traffic, and the noise cancellation actually did a great job reducing engine sounds as well as wind noise. Transparency mode also lets in just enough ambient sound so you don't really feel like you're cut off from the world. So here's the verdict. The TOZO NC20 delivers clean sound, solid ANC, immersive spatial audio, great comfort, and real premium touches like that display and app control, all for a budget of a price. So if you want great audio without breaking the bank, this is definitely worth checking out. Now, if you guys had any questions, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, we'll see you guys in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.